Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is a pronunciation lesson, and we are going to talk about the I sound as in sit, and the E sound as in seat. Today's lesson is a beginner pronunciation lesson. We are going to talk about two different sounds. The first sound we are going to talk about is the I sound, as in if or listen. The second sound we are going to talk about is the E sound, like in see or ski. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles, and it may help you understand a little more. First, we are going to go over the I sound. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This is a short sound. To make this sound, you're going to open your mouth a little wide. Have your tongue a little back in your mouth. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. I. 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 Now, listen to the sound and repeat after me. I. 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 Good. Now, let's try it with some words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. If. If. Listen. Listen. Miss. Miss. Good job. Next, we're going to talk about how this sound is often spelled. Usually, this sound will be spelled with an I, like this. Swim, dinner, 6. Sometimes the spelling will be a little different. You might see this sound spelled with a U, like this. Busy or business. And sometimes you might see this sound spelled with a UI, like this. Building. And sometimes you can see this sound spelled with a Y, like this. System. Let's practice some of these words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Swim. Swim. Dinner. Dinner. 6. 6. Busy. busy. Business. Business. Building. Building. System. System. Good job. Now, let's practice making these sounds using different phrases. Just like before, please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Number 1. Big business. Big business. Number 2. A cinema ticket. A cinema ticket. Number 3. 66. 66. Number 4. Dinner in the kitchen. Dinner in the kitchen. Number 5. A picture of a building. A picture of a building. Next, we are going to learn the E sound. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This sound is often used in words like pizza, see, or eat. Let's take a look at how to make this sound. First, make your mouth wide, almost like a smile. Then, your tongue is going to touch the sides of your teeth. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. E. 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 Now, let's practice. Watch my mouth closely and repeat after me. E. 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 Good job. Now, let's practice using some different words. Again, watch my mouth and repeat after me. Pizza. Pizza. Eat. Eat. See. See. Next, let's talk about how this sound can be spelled. There are many ways to spell this sound. Two of the most common ways are EE and EA. Like in these words: eat, team, see. But there are other ways to spell this as well. We can spell the sound using IE, like in field. We can also use E to spell this sound, like in secret, Chinese, Japanese. We can use EY to spell this sound as well, like this: key. We can use I to spell this sound, like this: ski, pizza, machine. And last, sometimes we can see EO being used to spell this sound, like in people. Let's practice saying these words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Agree. Agree. Team. Team. See. See. Peace. Peace. Evening. Evening. Complete. Complete. Valley. Valley. Police. Police. Magazine. Magazine. People. People. Now, let's do some more practice. Now, I want you to try to say the sentences. It's okay to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. Number 1. Can you teach me to speak Japanese, please? Can you teach me to speak Japanese, please? Number 2. Peter's on the team. Peter's on the team. Number 3. Can you see the sea? Can you see the sea? Number 4. 1 piece of pizza, please. 1 piece of pizza, please. Number 5. I need some peaches and some cream. I need some peaches and some cream. Okay guys, that is it for today's lesson. Don't forget that we have a part 2 to this lesson. Part 2 has a lot of practice and exercises that will help you use what you learned today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Randy League, and I will see you next time.